my government has accelerated its vision of a garbage-free Odisha under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0 by adopting a decentralized waste-to-wealth approach. Achievements include completion of more than 1.66 lakh individual household latrines and operationalization of 276 micro-composting centers and 235 material recovery facilities in the current year. As a result, 114 urban local bodies have achieved open defecation-free status, and the cities of Bhubaneswar, Cuttack and Puri have secured the prestigious Water Plus certification. Under Mukhyamantri Sahari Vikas Yojana, MSBY, my government has recorded exemplary progress in sustainable urban development through the ecological rejuvenation of 106 urban water bodies and plantation of 38,000 trees with the active engagement of 2,400 women self-help group members. It enabled Odisha the top national ranking under Amrut 2.0. Capital Region Urban Transport has consolidated its leadership in sustainable urban mobility by operating a fleet of 670 buses, including 290 electric buses across 113 routes, serving about 3.3 lakh commuters daily and achieving over 40% digital transaction penetration. The system is being expanded to 8 additional cities with procurement of 200 buses completed under phase 1 and sanction of 400 electric buses under the PM E-Bus Seva initiative for major urban centers. The commission-free income model and the operational excellence by the Odisha Yatri platform has earned Odisha the 18th Urban Mobility India Award and the National Public Bus Transport Excellence Award in 2025. My government has also strengthened inclusive urban welfare through the launch of the Sahjog initiative on 31st August 2025, under which 1.77 lakh households have been profiled through door-to-door surveys and linked to key schemes, including 40,622 PMAY housing sanctions, 38,384 e-Shram cards, and 21,974 labor cards. Over the past few years, with the efforts of my government, Odisha has emerged as a power surplus state, ensuring 24/7 reliable and high-quality electricity for all citizens and successfully meeting a peak demand of 6,242 megawatts in 2025. Plans include a clear transition towards clean and sustainable growth, committing the state to net zero through accelerated renewable adoption and a just transition, including installation of 10 gigawatts of renewable capacity by 2030 through solar, wind, and advanced energy storage solutions. Public sector undertakings, through their activities, assist the government in achieving its desired socio-economic objectives and play a key role in steering the state economy in the desired direction. At present, 24 PSUs are making profit and 9 PSUs have paid dividend amounting to 8,385 crore rupees during financial year 2024-25. Inspired by the call of vocal for local and Atmanirbhar Bharat, my government is turning Odisha into a competitive manufacturing and enterprise hub. With the efforts of my government, Odisha continues to occupy a preeminent position in the national mining and steel landscape. The state is endowed with nearly 1/3 of India's total iron ore reserves and contributed over 61% of the country's total iron ore production in financial year 2024-25. Odisha also holds the first position in the production of steel and stainless steel in the country. At present, Odisha has 55 operational steel plants with a total installed capacity of around 45.62 million tons per annum, accounting for nearly 23% of the country's total installed steel capacity. With rising per capita steel consumption, Odisha is positioning itself to contribute 100 billion tons of steel towards the national target of 300 million tons by 2030.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।